blob with a job. Just a one-eyed gob. Saw a crack in the back and I went full slob. Dripped down deep in a cave of goo. Now I bounce off walls like slimes do. Sky up high? I fell from that. City go beep and the floor go splat. Traps go snap. Slime go splurt. Everything hurts, but I got no shirt. Temple? Crumble? Mountain? Slide? Sticky lil dude with nowhere to hide. Bounce in a pit, scream in a wall. Is this still a game or a slime freefall? Home? Don't know. Brain? Half mush. But I keep on rolling in a panic rush. So tap that icon, don't be shy. Help a black blob boing back to the sky. Download Goo Odyssey or I'll scream forever.